Hello students, today we will start chapter number 5 HCF and LCM. First of all, factors. See, what is the full form of HCF? Highest common factor. So factor means what? Factor of a number divides a number completely without leaving a remainder. This is the definition of factor. It means, for example, if I'll take one number 18 and I will divide this number with 2, then 2 9s are 18 and remainder is 0. If I'll divide 18 with 3, here the remainder is 0. Divide 18 with 6, remainder is 0. Divide 18 with 9, remainder is 0. And divide 18 with 18 itself, then remainder is 0. And one more, divide 18 with 1. If you will divide it with 1, then also remainder will be 0. So all these numbers 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 1 are called the factors of 18. Okay, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 and 1. If you will take 5, then remainder will not be 0. If you will take 7, then remainder will not be 0. So these numbers are not the factors of 18. Similarly, you can find the factors of any number by dividing it turn by turn. Okay, so that was the meaning of factor. Now HCF, highest common factor. Factors now we know. Now common factors. So for that, see here, I want to find the common factors of 6 and 8. Common means it is in both, or if you have 3 number, then it must be within 3. Okay, so factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. These are the factors of 6. How can we find it? Same like this. Similarly, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. So if you will see carefully, 1 is common in both, 2 is common in both, 3 is only coming in 6 and 6 is also coming in 6. Similarly, 4 and 8 are not coming in this. That's why these are not called the common factors, but 1 and 2 are the common factors of 6 and 8. So common factors of 6 and 8 are 1 and 2. Now highest common factor, what it means? So whatever factors are common, from this, which one is the highest one? 2. Okay, we have to find all the common factors and then after we have to find the highest one. That will be the highest common factor. So in this, highest common factor is what? 2. So that is the meaning of HCF. Okay, now one more thing, prime factors. This we already studied in chapter number 3, rules of divisibility. Okay, but let me recall it. Prime factors means the number which is not divisible by any other number, that number is called prime number. And if the prime number is factor of another number, then it is called prime factor. For example, 1, 3 and 2. One more thing, 1 is actually neither prime nor composite. So 1 is not a prime number. Okay, 1 prime number નથી અને composite પણ નથી, that we know. Okay, so prime factors of 18 are 1 will not come, only 2 and 3 will come. Clear? See, actually how many factors of 18 are there? 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 and 1. So 1 is neither prime nor composite. બરાબર? અને 6, 9 અને 18 છે એ બધા composite છે. તો prime number માં કોણ આવશે? Only 2 and 3. So prime factors of 18 are only 2 and 3. Similarly, prime factors of 6. So factors of 6 are here. Prime factors 1 will not come. So it will be 2 and 3 because 6 is not prime. 6 is composite number. So it is the mistake over here. 1 will not come. Okay. So prime factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Similarly, prime factors of 8 are only 2. 1 will not come. Clear? So that's all about factors. Now we will go for multiples. Okay, let I explain the multiple with one example. 2. Then all the multiples of 2 are here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 3. Then 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. If you will see carefully, this is what? The table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. Okay. Similarly, if you will go for 4, the multiples of 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. So this is what? The table of 4. Similarly, if you will go for 11, then 11, 22, 33, 44. All these are the multiples of 11. Okay, so don't mix up with factors and multiples. Factors are getting by dividing a number, and multiples will get by multiplying the number. If 2 is there, then multiply 2 with 1, 2 with 2, 2 with 3, 2 with 4, like that. So you will get all the multiples of 2. Okay, now same like this, common multiples, same like common factors. All the multiples we have to write, and whatever multiples are common, that we have to sort out. So common multiples of 2 and 3 we want. So check it. All the multiples of 2 and all the multiples of 3 are here. Now 2 is not coming here. 4 is not coming here. 6, if you will see, then 6 is coming in 2 also and 3 also. So 6 is the common multiple of 2 and 3. Similarly, 8 and 10 will not come, but 12 is the common multiple of both. Same way, if you will go ahead, 14, 16, then after 18 will come. So 18 will be the common multiple of 2 and 3. So here the common multiples are written 6, 12, 18, 24. All these multiples are common between 2 and 3. Similarly, you can find the common multiples of 3 and 4 also, 2 and 4 also, 3 and 11 also. Clear? Common multiples of 3 and 4 are 12, 24, 36, 48 and etc. Okay, now we will start the method of factorization. Factorization means to find the factors. Okay, previously whatever we did, that was not the proper method to find the factors. What we did in 18, we divided 18 with 2, then with 3, then with 4, then with 5. Turn by turn we divided it with all the numbers. So that method is not actually proper method to find the factors. So there are two methods to find the factors of given number. First is factor tree method and second is prime factorization or long division method. Okay, so we have to study both these methods in this chapter. Let me study both these using this example. Example 1, 48. So we have to find the factors of 48. Here both methods are done. First is factor tree method. So in this we have to do like this. That's why it is called a tree method. We have to do the branches of each number, factor and a number. So 48. Always start with the smaller number. Okay. હંમેશા નાના નંબરથી જ સ્ટાર્ટ કરવાનું છે અને જો ઇવન નંબર હોય તો 2 થી ડિવિઝિબલ થશે એટલે 2 થી જ ટ્રાય કરવાનું. ડોન્ટ ટેક ડિરેક્ટલી 4 or directly 8 or 6 or any other number. Okay, it is divisible by 6, then also will not take it because 6 is not the smaller one. સૌથી નાનો નંબર પહેલા લેવાનો છે. 48 is divisible by 2. Then always start with 2, otherwise your answer will be wrong. 2 into 24. Now see this 24. Okay, 24 is again an even number, so again we will do 2 into 12. 12 is even number, so take 2. 2 into 6. 6 is again even number, so 2 into 3. Now we got all prime numbers over here. At last we will get the prime number. Prime number means which is not divisible by any other number. So we got all the prime factors. Which are the prime factors? 3, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Okay, so that is written over here. See, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. How many times 2? 4 times 2 and fifth time it is 3. So 4 times 2 and lastly 3. These are the factors, prime factors of 48. Okay. This is long division method. Same thing we have to do like this. Procedure is same only. See, 48 is written over here. 2 24s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are and 3 1s are. In this diagonally we have to do. Okay, આવી રીતે યાદ રાખવાનું. 2 24s are 48, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. આની અંદર અહીંયા છેલ્લે 1 આવી જવું જોઈએ. Then your answer will be correct. અહીંયા 1 નહીં આવે ત્યાં સુધી તમારો સમ હજી incomplete ગણાશે. Okay. So same factors will get. See, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, 4 times 2 and fifth time 3. So same factors are here. Clear? So this way we got the prime factors of 48. Similarly go for 60. Both methods are here. Okay. 2 into 30, 2 into 15. Then after 15 is odd number. Now it is not divisible by 2. 2 થી ડિવિઝિબલ નથી તો 2 પછીનો કયો નંબર આવે? 3 આવે. તો એ 3 ના ટેબલમાં આવે છે. That's why we'll use 3 only. 3 into 5. Now 3 and 5 both are prime numbers. Okay. So our work is over. બંને prime number છે તો હવે આગળ આમાંથી કોઈ પણના factors નહીં નિકળે. That's why what are the factors of 60? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Same thing if we'll do with this long division method. 60 અહીંયા લખવાનું અને સ્ટાર્ટ કરો અહીંયાથી. હવે કેવી રીતે સ્ટાર્ટ કરશો? તો કે even નંબર છે તો 2 થી સ્ટાર્ટ કરો. ઓડ હોય તો 3 અથવા 5 અથવા 7 વિચારવું પડે. જે સૌથી નાનું હોય એનાથી જ કરવાનું. It is even number, so we will do it with 2. 2 into 30, 60. 2 15s are 30. Now 15 is odd number, so 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. We got 1 over here. So check it. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Same you will get. Okay, so both the methods are discussed over here. Now you have to use which method, whatever method is mentioned in your question, that you have to use. If it will be asked that find the factors of 48 using factor tree method, then this method you have to do. And if your question is find the prime factors using prime factorization method or using long division method, then you have to do this method. Clear? So I explained both methods over here. Now we will go for exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1. The question is use the factor tree method to find the prime factors. It is clearly mentioned that we have to use factor tree method. Okay, so first is 64 and 64 and this is already given in your seasons. Already it is solved. That's why I not written over here. I written the answer directly. So this you will see from your book only. Okay, now B is 72. So it is even number, so start with 2. 2 into 36. 36 is again even number, so we can do it with 2. 2 into 18. 18 is again divisible by 2, so 2 into 9. Now 9 is not even number, so we have to check that 9 is divisible by which odd number. It is divisible by 3, so we will take 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Now we got the prime numbers over here, so our sum over. Which are the factors? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Okay, અહીંયાથી આવી રીતે factors ગણાશે. આ બધા factors નથી કારણ કે composite number છે. Only prime factors we have to write. So these are the prime factors of 72. Now 96. 96 is even number, so it is divisible with 2. 2 into 48. Then after 48 is again even, so 2 into 24. 24 is even, so it is divisible by 2. 2 12s are 24, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, and now 3 is the prime number. So sum is over. Now which are the factors? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 times 2 and 1 time 3. 5 times 2 and 1 time 3. So these are the factors, prime factors of 96. Similarly, D is 48. Now 48 we already discussed here in example 1. So see, this method will come in 48. That's why I written direct answer over here, 48. You write it from example 1. And E, 56. Same procedure, 2 into 28. Then 28 is divisible by 2 into 14. 14 is 2 into 7. Now 7 is what? Not divisible by any other number. So we got the prime factors of 56, 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Now next. Question number 2. Draw the factor tree for 288 and 152. This is the question. You have to draw the factor tree. See, number is little bit bigger, but okay, method is the same only. So 288 is again even number. So 2 into 144 will happen. Okay, now 144 is even, so it is divisible by 2. 2 into 72. 72 is further divisible by 2, so 2 into 36. 36 is also divisible by 2, so 2 into 18. 2 into 9. Now 9 is not divisible by 2, so it will be 3 into 3. So which are the factors of 288? How many times 2 is there? 5 times 2 and 2 times 3. So 5 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2 and 2 times 3. That will be 288. Now next is 152. It is even number. So 2 into 76. 76 is also even. So 2 into 38. 38 is also even. So 2 into 19. And 19 is prime number which is not divisible by any other number. So factors of 152 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 19. Sum over. Now next exercise we will do in next video. Thank you.